Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your investments with Bitpay, full guide step by step clearly. To recover your investments with Bitpay, start by visiting the official Bitpay website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Locate the section for transaction history. Review your past transactions to identify the investment you wish to recover. Click on the specific transaction for more details. Check the status of the transaction. If the transaction is still pending, it may resolve automatically. If marked as completed, gather all relevant transaction details. Look for the option to initiate a refund or dispute. Read through the policies related to refunds and disputes thoroughly. If applicable, submit a refund request directly through the platform. Provide any necessary documents or information to support your request. If a specific dispute option is available, follow the instructions carefully. Engage with Bitpay's customer service if you require assistance. Document all communications with customer support for your records. Wait for a response regarding your request. Remain patient, as processing times may vary. Once your request is processed, check your account for updates. If successful, your recovered funds will appear in your account. If your request is denied, review the reasons provided. Consider seeking further assistance if you believe your case merits re-evaluation. Stay informed about Bitpay's policies to effectively manage future investments. Regularly monitor your investments and transactions to stay proactive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.